think about this from Amazon's point of view, and that's a really great place to start. Anytime you're trying to understand something, is to think about it from Amazon's point of view, not from your own point of view. So let's think about it from Amazon's point of view. What Amazon has got is a catalog of products, millions of different products. Now, stands to reason, some of those products are going to be called the same thing, but they'll do different things for different purposes. So an example of that would be, do you want to see a naughty example or a nice example? Do you want a naughty example? Because I've got both. Or a nice example? Naughty or nice? What do you want to go for? Naughty or nice? You tell me. Naughty. All right. You perverts. All right. So here's a naughty example. Magic wand. All right, so a magic wand, please don't ask me why I know this information, but I'm pretty sure you could guess, being a deviant. A magic wand can be a lot of different things. So a magic wand can be, it can be a vibrator for ladies to get their lady chops off with. Apparently, it's one of the best vibrators in the world, a magic wand vibrator. So that's one sort of magic wand, all right? So if I looked in health, household, and baby care, I suspect the magic wand I would find would be the magic wand. There it is. Therapeutic personal massager. And you guys all know that they used to, the doctors back in the early 1900s, late 1800s, used to give ladies orgasms as a way of relieving headaches and things like that. Well, this is it, therapy. It's therapy for ladies, okay? So that's one kind of magic wand. But there's other kinds of magic wands too. Magic wand, Harry Potter, for instance. Well, that's another kind of magic wand. Another kind of magic wand would be magic wand guitar. Magic wand guitars. That's a brand of, ooh, interesting. A brand of guitar is the Magic Wand guitar. None for sale on Amazon, which is interesting. Be interesting to see if there are some. And then another kind of magic wand that I know of is a hair remover. Oh, there's a hair curler. I didn't know about that one. So there's a magic wand hair curler and a magic wand hair remover. I knew about that one. What else have we got? Any others you guys can think of? Magic wands. Magic wand remote control. Fantastic. But you guys get the idea, yeah? Remote control. There you go. There's another one. Thank you for that, Graham. So, what the hell does that mean? Well, it means Neil's a bit of a pervert because he knows all about lady bits, and it also means that Amazon has to put things into categories. And so some products have got category specific searches and other products have got general searches. And there is a whole shitload of stuff I could tell you about the difference between category specific based searches and general, or what we think of as all. So all departments versus specific departments. There's a whole lot of difference between those two in the way that Amazon presents the search engine results page, and also in the way that Amazon decides what products it's going to show in what position. So for instance, in my Amazon SEO course, on number 4, how SEO works, I talk through all of that. And you can see here, look, item search values. So you got relevance rank and PS rank. Again, I don't want to get into too techie shit for you, but those two things are critical to ranking on page 1 of Amazon for a category specific search versus a general all search. So there's that as well. But that's why Amazon does it that way, Sean, and that's why you will find your product for a category specific search, but you may not find your product for a general all search. It's because of the way that Amazon has to sort the information, sorts the product catalog that it's got, because it's got so many products now, and you quickly find yourself in positions, in situations, shouldn't say positions when we're talking about vibrators, where you can, where you find situations like that where you've got magic wand for so many different things, okay? So many different things. Orgasmo Patronus, says Joy. That's hilarious. I like that. The Harry Potter orgasm wand. Female hysteria. That's the word I was looking for, Jenny. That is the word I was looking for. Yeah, female hysteria, which really meant headaches. And so these ladies would go to the doctors. This is in the late 1800s, and the doctor would give them an orgasm, and they'd say, and you know, the doctor would say, "Do you feel better?" "Oh, I feel much better, thank you, doctor. Same time, same place next week." "Right you are, doctor." Off we go then, and they'd feel much, much better.